Let's kick things off with something that hits way above its price. The Thumbs Up Mini Retro Gaming Console. This tiny device isn't trying to be a powerhouse. It's here to take you straight back to the 80s, and it nails that vibe. With 150 built-in 8-bit games, action, puzzles, platformers, strategy, you get a full retro arcade in your pocket. The 1.8-inch LCD screen is small but bright and sharp enough for quick sessions on the go. Controls are simple and classic. The built-in speaker works well, and there's even a mute button for quiet play. It runs on AAA batteries, so no charging cables. Just swap in new ones and keep going. It's ultra-light, pocket-friendly, and a fun, nostalgic gift, though some wish the screen were bigger. But real talk, for $18, you get tons of games and pure retro charm. It's not fancy, but it's honest fun and a great entry point into retro gaming. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that true retro feeling. Let's continue. This device is a completely different story, and here's why. The R36T shows what the next step up looks like. Its 3.5-inch IPS display with CRT-style curved glass instantly stands out. Sharp, retro-inspired, and scratch-resistant. It doesn't just look old school, it feels like it. Inside, a solid emulation setup handles thousands of retro games offline. Action, puzzles, adventure, the whole library. The wide-angle 3D joystick glows with customizable RGB lighting, and the spring-loaded LR triggers on the curved back give the handheld a surprisingly premium feel. Connectivity gets an upgrade too. 5G Wi-Fi and 2.4G OTG allow wireless controllers for easy multiplayer sessions. The 3,500 mAh battery lasts up to 6 hours and supports USB-C fast charging. Users love the build quality and the vibrant display available in multiple colors. And while 64 GB isn't unlimited, it's more than enough for most retro collections. The R36T hits that perfect balance between price and performance, and you can grab it for about $55 on Amazon. But enough of the warm-up, now things get serious. While the previous devices were solid entry points, the R36MAX raises the bar and shows what happens when you step into a higher class. Its 4-inch IPS HD display with 720 by 720 resolution isn't just bigger, it's sharper, brighter, and clear from any angle. Full lamination removes the air gap, making colors pop. Powered by an RK3326 CPU with a 1.5 GHz ARM 64 quad-core Cortex-A35 on Linux, this thing delivers real emulation power. You get 18,000 plus classic games pre-installed, and it handles multiple emulators smoothly. Dual 3D joysticks offer precise, mature control. The 4,000 mAh battery lasts up to 10 hours, nearly double the previous model. USB-C charging, 3.5mm audio, built-in speakers, all included. With 64 GB storage, expandable via TF card, there's plenty of room for your whole retro library. The ergonomic design feels great, and the box includes a protective case, screen protector, and USB-C cable. With strong reviews and bestseller status, the R36 Max is no compromise. It's a statement. For $65, it dominates the mid-range without the premium price. While we've been talking about digital libraries and pre-installed games, Evercade flips the script. The EXP-R takes a different path with physical cartridges, real game cards like back in the day. The anthracite handheld with turquoise accents looks stylish and feels like a tribute to the golden era. Its 800 by 480 IPS display offers sharp colors and wide angles. But the standout feature is the tape mode with dedicated buttons, perfect for vertical arcade classics. The bundle includes the Tomb Raider Collection 1 cartridge with the first 3 games. The system supports 50-plus Evercade cartridge sets covering 500-plus titles, giving you 5 decades of gaming in one device. Built-in Wi-Fi handles updates, and the 4 to 5 hour battery with USB-C keeps you mobile. At just 90.7 grams, it's light and travel-friendly. Users love the build quality and the nostalgic cartridge feel. Ranking number 2 on Amazon, the EXP-R offers a full physical gaming ecosystem for $105. Now we come to today's absolute number 1. Brace yourself. The Anbernic RG 406H blows past every limit. While others rely on modest CPUs, this one packs a Tiger T820 with 8 cores up to 2.7 GHz. Android 13 in overdrive. Its 4-inch IPS display with 960 by 720 resolution and full OCA lamination is crystal clear, tough, and fully multi-touch. But here's where it gets wild. A 16 million color RGB light ring with breathing, rainbow, and chase effects. Fully customizable. It glows like a spaceship. You get 128 GB storage, expandable to 2 TB, plus 4,783 pre-installed games. The 5,000 mAh battery lasts ages, while a high-speed fan and heat pipe cooling keep everything stable. Wide-angle 3D Hall joysticks, 6-axis gyro, Hall triggers, photo wireless updates, online battles, streaming, and wireless screencasting through USB-C with 1080p DisplayPort. The feature list just keeps going. At 263 grams, it's not light, but it's pure power. This isn't a retro handheld. It's a pocket-sized desktop replacement for $200.